Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on SEI. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SEI is trying to break out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still it is moving at the resistance of another falling wedge pattern and trying to break out the resistance. By the way, here we have a quite long-term uptrend line support as well that was previously breaking as support here when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. We broke out the wedge and the price line also bounced very well from this uptrend line support as well. Right now, again, the price line is moving between the resistance of the wedge and this uptrend line, a quite long-term uptrend line support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And previously, you can see that when we broke out this cloud, the price line rallied very well. We had a very powerful rally. And this time, we will again need to break out this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud even after breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 25th of May 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 25th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal garlet pattern that SEI formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 12% pump against Bitcoin on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of SEI. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. By the way, previously it had been moving inside in another falling wedge pattern here. And we broke it out here in the month of October 2023. Then we had a very massive rally. Let me show you this move on the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this was a very, very powerful rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this side, then you can see that this was more than 1109% pump, but the price line found another quite long-term resistance on here that starts from $1 and goes to $1.14.5. And the price line has been rejected by this resistance zone several times, and now it is stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. By the way, here we have a quite long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that previously we had several bounces from this support, this uptrend line support, and now recently you can see that it is again breaking as a very, very nice support after hitting this uptrend line support. The price and geared up, and now it is trying to break out the resistance of this wedge. Therefore, soon I'm expecting that it can break this wedge. And by the way, in case of breaking down the support of the wedge, that I'm not expecting, because breaking down the support will be really very difficult for the price. And first, we will need to break down this uptrend line support. There's a quite long-term uptrend line support. Then we will need to break down the support of the wedge and this long-term support of 41.6 cents as well. And in case of breaking down, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 18.2 cents. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this wedge, then it can also break out this very long-term resistance of the Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that previously when we broke out this cloud here back in the month of November 2023, then we had a very, very nice rally, and this cloud had been breaking as a very, very strong support as well when it was flipped into a bullish cloud. Now you can see that it has been breaking as a very nice support for several days or months, and now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. Therefore, now we will need to break out this resistance of the cloud. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this wedge, there will be a very high probability that we may break out the cloud, because the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1.18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.